Hello दोस्तों, in this video we will talk about COVID-19 vaccination drive in India. Starting with some basic facts, we might have some confusion regarding the name of the virus and name of the disease. So the disease name is COVID-19 and the virus which is causing this disease is SARS-CoV-2. So the coronavirus disease, that is COVID 19. This 19 signifies the year 2019 in which the virus is first identified. And the virus, that is SARS CoV 2, stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. So, WHO named the disease as COVID-19 because whenever some disease is identified, then a stigma is attached to the place where the first case is identified. For example, in 1920, the Spanish flu, that this disease named Spanish flu is named on the country Spain. So a stigma is still attached to that country even after 100 years of its first case. That's why WHO named any disease irrespective of the place where the case is identified. Now, total number of active cases in the world is 6 crores, whereas total number of active cases in India is 18 lakhs. Total number of persons vaccinated worldwide is 88 crores, while in India it is 12 crores. So till now, we have vaccinated 12 crores people of India. We might be thinking that why or how this vaccine has been developed so early. So the reason being, we already had a preset knowledge of the family of this virus. In 2003, one of the virus of this family was found in animals and birds. So we already had some preset knowledge with the help of which our scientists are able to make the vaccine so early. Now there are various types of vaccines, so we will discuss here the four major types of vaccines. चाहे कोई भी vaccine हो, the basic phenomenon or the process of any vaccine is that some component of the virus or virus itself is inserted into the human body, and our human body reacts to the virus, and antibodies are developed or the T cells are developed in our body against this virus. So the first type is whole virus vaccine. As the name suggests, the complete virus introduced in the human body but in the weakened form. What I mean by this weakened form, that virus को पूरी बॉडी में insert किया जाता है in the form that it does not cause any damage to the human body. At the same time, it triggers our immune system. So this is the whole virus vaccine. Now subunit vaccines, in which not the complete virus but only the small part or the fragment of the virus is inserted into the human body. In viral vector vaccines, only the genetic code is inserted with the help of some harmless virus. So a genetic code of our antigen is inserted in some harmless virus which then introduced in the human body. And in nucleic acid vaccines, that genetic code of our antigen is directly inserted into the human cells, like happens in mRNA or DNA vaccines. So these are the four major types of vaccines. Now we might have heard this term efficacy and effectiveness of vaccine. So efficacy rate of a vaccine means it is a degree by which the infection is reduced in a vaccinated group compared with an unvaccinated one. It measures disease prevention by vaccine among trial participants. For example, if some vaccine rate is say 50%, that means out of the total persons who have been vaccinated, only 50% of the population has been prevented from catching a virus. So efficacy जो term है, that is used in the controlled environment. That means efficacy tells us the performance of a vaccine in the controlled environment during the clinical trials, while effectiveness is the performance of vaccine in the real world setting. सो ऑब्वियसली जब इफेक्टिवनेस इज द रियल वर्ल्ड सेटिंग में है तो वैक्सीन देने के बाद ही विद द गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम वैक्सीन की इफेक्टिवनेस को पता लगा पाएंगे, जिसमें बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. सो वेन एवर एनी वैक्सीन इज डेवलप्ड वी असेस द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ दैट वैक्सीन बाय इट्स एफिकेसी रेट. नाउ as we all know, we have three vaccine in our basket, that is Covishield, Covaxin, and very latestly approved Sputnik 5. So Covishield, this is developed by AstraZeneca and University of Oxford. This is the viral vector vaccine and the efficacy rate is 79%, which is the lowest among all three vaccines of India. Our government of India approved Covishield on 1st of January 2021. This vaccine is Covaxin. This is an indigenous vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in association with ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, and NIV, that is National Institute of Virology. This is inactivated virus vaccine in which, as we discussed previously, this vaccine insert the complete virus into human body but in the weakest form. Efficacy rate is 81%, which is good enough and more than the Covishield. This is also approved on 1st January 2021. Sputnik 5, which is very latestly approved by the government of India on 12th of April, last week only. This is a Russian vaccine and efficacy rate is 92%. So as you all know, on 13th April, government of India, एक announcement की गई that any vaccine which has been approved by any government elsewhere in the world would be fast tracked in India. So maybe with this announcement, maybe we will be able to see the basket of vaccines in India available very soon. So now India's vaccination drive, as we all know, it began its commence on 16 January 2021 across 3006 vaccination centers. Each vaccination center will either offer Covishield or Covaxin. या तो कोई वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर कोविशील्ड लगाएगा या कोवैक्सीन लगाएगा. Total number of person vaccinated is 12 crore. So in this 3 months, from 16 January to almost like today's 18th of April, so in 3 months we are able to vaccinate 12 crore people. So different phases which Ministry of Health and Family Welfare announced is phase 1, which covered the healthline workers and frontline workers. Healthline workers obviously means the persons working in the health sector, and frontline means which acted as a frontline defense during the lockdown period or during the pandemic, like our police, armed forces, and so on. Phase 2 covered the citizens above the 60 years of age, and second group is persons who is aged between the 45 and 60 but having some comorbidities. So these two groups are covered under phase 2, and currently we are undergoing in phase 3, which is covering the persons above 45 years of age. This phase began from April 1, 2021. India celebrated Tika Utsav vaccine festival from 11, just last week we celebrated this festival just to promote the vaccination drive so that maximum number of people got vaccine as soon as possible. Total population of India, we have been vaccinated 12 crore people, which is around approx 0.90% of our total population. Top 3 states if we talk about, so this is Lakshadweep, which has covered almost 3.58% of its population, then Ladakh with 2.68 and Tripura with 2.38. If we talk about bottom 3 states, then it is Tamil Nadu with 0.47, Bihar with 0.48, Punjab with 0.50. So thank you so much. I hope I am able to add something new to your existing knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel 1% Daily. Thank you.